am I financially free? Do I have time freedom? Myself Somu from SSV team. Today I am going to talk about what's the important either time freedom or financial freedom. Here is my quote. Being rich is having money. Being wealthy is having time. So I have asked myself these questions on a daily basis. Why is financial freedom so important? Because through financial freedom, I can achieve my ultimate dream, that is time freedom. I define financial freedom as the ability to live on passive income sources earned through active income efforts. So, what do you mean by financial freedom? It means building a business and investing into the vehicles that earn money for us while we sleep. And why do we do so hard to become a financially free? By becoming a financially free, then we can have a time freedom to do whatever we want in my life. What is time freedom? Think about it for a second. We all get the same amount of time in a day. It is 24 hours, 1440 minutes, 86,400 seconds. No person will have more than this time. We are all united by the same limitation. So why it is for some struggle so much to make out that than the time. So for most of us, it comes down to the matter of priorities. Like we look to spend now with the money rather than save it for later. It is much easier to buy and putting money away to let hard-earned capital work for us. So by not practicing the formula of financial freedom or rules of financial plenty, we are not able to save or invest. When you will be financial free? If we are financial free, we can love our work, and the path of financial and time freedom is simple but not easy. It requires discipline, courage, and intensity. So everything I need to have after the hard work which I have done, I will begin to see the fruits of my work when my income will be in autopilot. So where do we begin? Keep it in mind, my personal definition of financial freedom doesn't be yours. Even though my goal is to never be locked into one single source of income, it should be passive, and I need to close my home loans as early as possible and have some emergency funds and need to be retired as early as possible before 50. When I define meaning, also maintain brick by brick mentality approach. I have a big, hairy, audacious goal, after which I seek and break it down into the smaller increments, and I want to retire by 45. Is it totally doable? Yes. By following 10x productivity and wealth generation formula and F8 system designed by Vishal, it is possible. So my planning is like this from the 10x productivity. What can I do this year, this month, and this every day to achieve my goal? I will develop my plan and work on that plan, and success is mine. So, guys, we are all here to achieve our dreams. So, I want to conclude, being rich is having money, and being wealthy is having time. Both are necessary. Thank you, guys.